So we'll see the next question, question number 10. So we have the equations 3x square minus 20x plus 32 equal to 0 and 2y square minus 3y minus 20 equal to 0. So we'll solve these equations and get values of x and y. So we'll solve the first equation. So the equation given is 3x square minus 20x plus 32 equal to 0. So having those three steps in our mind, so we'll arrive at the solution. The first step is to choose the numbers such that the product should be product of coefficient of x square 3 and 32. And as you have plus here, sum of those two numbers should be 20. So we have minus 20. And 3 and 32 when you add it is not 20. So it should be some other pair. So we'll split these numbers. So 32 can be written as 4 into 8. So the numbers 12 and 8 when added you get 20 and product is 32. And as you have here minus 20, give minus for both the numbers. And now the second step is to divide the numbers by their coefficient. So here coefficient of x square is 3. So divide the numbers by 3. So we have minus 4 and minus 8 by 3 it is minus 2.6. And the third step is to change the symbols of these numbers. So changing the symbol, we have 4 and 2.6. Now solution for this equation or values of x is 4 and 2.6. So now we'll solve the second equation to get the values of y. So the second equation is 2y square minus 3y minus 20 equal to 0. So the first step is to choose the numbers such that so product should be coefficient of y square and the constant term minus 20. So we will have the minus sign outside the brackets. So as you have minus, write difference. So difference of these two numbers should be minus 3. So 20 and 2 when subtracted is not 3. So we will go for different pattern. So the numbers 8 and 5 when multiplied you get the product 40 and the difference is 3. And as you have minus 3, you minus for the higher number and plus for the smaller number. And now you have coefficient for y square 2, so divide these numbers by coefficient of y square. So this is minus 4 and 2.5. So now the third step is to change the symbols. So after changing the symbol we have 4 and minus 2.5. So values of y we get as 4 and minus 2.5. So now we'll place these values on a number line and choose the options. So both values of x is positive. So write 2.6. So assuming 2.6 is here, so we'll place x and 4. So x is placed here. And for y has one of its value as 4 and the other value is minus 2.5. So when you check here, 4 is greater than 2.6 or value of y is greater than x or x is smaller than y. And with these two values, value of x, that is 2.6, is greater than minus 2.5 or x is greater than y. So in this case, the relation cannot be established. So clearly it will be option E. So friends, when the relation cannot be determined, go for option E. And suppose if you have x equal to y also, so we didn't come under this case in any of this questions. So when it is x equal to y also, we have to go for option 3, E. And now answer for this question number 10 is option E, where the relationship cannot be established. Now it is clear from the workings that value of x and y cannot be established, and the option is E. So friends, hope you would have understood the concepts of factorization and would have gained confidence to attend this exam. So please remember, in question number 8 alone, we had a particular pattern where the constants both were positive and coefficients of x and y, one positive and one negative. So only in this case, without working, you can go for the option within a second. For all other questions, you have to work out, get the values and then go for the options. So now we'll see some miscellaneous questions which too were asked in previous exams.